Hey, Raritan, this is Mr. Dean along with Raritan alumni Ryan Dickens. Ryan graduated in 2017 and was on the football and wrestling team. Ryan plays a huge part in the Hazlet community with his involvement in the RAINE Foundation. He was also a part of the 2015 state championship football team. How we doing, Ryan?
Good. I'm glad to be on this nice Google Meet call. I'm excited.
All right.
Different.
So Ryan currently attends and plays football at Lafayette University out there in Pennsylvania. He's dealing with a lot of similar things our students are dealing with virtual learning, but at the college level. So Ryan, do you mind sharing with our students your daily academic routines?
Yeah. So I mean, for me as a student athlete at Lafayette, at school I have a full-on schedule. I wake up in the morning, I work out, and then I have my academic day, and then I have football at night. So I really have no free time at school. Being home, it's a little different because now it's on me. I have to go do my own workouts. I have to do my own academic meetings and things like that, and I have to be a little more responsible about it. But the one thing I will say is when I'm doing I still try to keep a normal schedule. So when I'm at school, I'm working out in the morning. When I'm here, I'm working out in the morning, and then I do my academic day. So whenever my classes go, I'm in class. I'm meeting with professors. I'm doing everything I would do as if I was at school, just from my desk at home. Same with football. Football, we have meetings at night. We still have our meetings through Google Meet, things like that. So my free time is basically me doing homework right now and, staying on top of my academics. And, with doing this and being on Google Meets and things like that, it's a little tougher because you really have to be proactive with your professors because you're not seeing them face to face every day. Especially for me, email is my best friend. Between emailing my advisor and my professors and just, keeping in the loop, because for me as a student at Lafayette, I had to be proactive and always attend office hours and, really build a relationship. And not being able to do that through Google, being in person, you have to do it through Google. And, it's really tough, but, it's working and I'm getting through it. So
nice. Right on.
Yeah.
So you think the most efficient way to get in touch with your teachers is through email? You think your teachers are pretty responsive when you reach out to them, that you get a pretty quick response?
Oh yeah, definitely. Within an hour usually. I mean, that's pretty ideal. When you're at school, you're emailing frequently. And if you're really having a problem, like I know my professors, they hold like office hours. So they're on Google Meets. If we have a question, it's from, my one professor, it's 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock at night. So if I have a question with my econometrics homework that, I really need to get it done, but I don't know how to do it, I could easily just email him and be like, hey, can you hop on, Google Meets or Zoom or anything? And I could get face to face with him as if I was at a real office hour.
Cool. Awesome. So probably the biggest thing, to be successful with virtual learning is basically just organizing your time, making sure that you have just a regular routine. You wake up in the morning, you hit the ground running, and you basically organize throughout your daily, kind of like you're going through your classes and making sure that everything has a scheduled time, just so make sure that you're on top of your assignments and you're on top of your classwork, right?
Yes, sir. That's basically the best thing. Keeping a routine, keeping a schedule is and being proactive, always emailing your professors and trying to keep that relationship with your teachers.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks, Ryan. Raritan appreciates your time, bud.
Yeah, no problem. Go Rockets.